Hello everyone! Today we will show you how to mute video easily with UniConverter 13. Step 1. Launch UniConverter 13 and click on the Add Files button to add videos or drag desired videos to the program. Step 2. Remove audio track to mute the video. Click on the Audio Track tab to choose No Audio Track. Step 3. Save the muted video on Windows. Click the Output format. Choose an output format, select an output folder in the file location field and click Convert. Step 4. Access the converted files. Click the Finish tab to go to the output folder to access the newly produced files. Thank you for watching our tutorial videos. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try Wondershare UniConverter for free. See you in the next video.